Hey, I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to your fresh start for your finances, a space that celebrates your self-expression, your unstoppable growth, and empowered money choices. We believe building a life you love includes a healthy relationship with money, and we're here to make that feel easy and exciting. Wherever you are, starting over, leveling up, or simply curious, this can be a powerful reset. 1 minute you're confident, the next, you're wondering if you're doing it right. Money can feel complex, full of big opportunities and confusing decisions, yet you can absolutely learn this. You're not alone. Most of us never got a real money playbook. Here, you'll get clear steps you can act on today. It can feel like everyone else got a secret instruction manual, but here's the secret: that manual doesn't exist. Success isn't a complicated formula for geniuses. It's about a few simple, powerful habits. I want to share money and mindset secrets that will rewire how you approach life and your bank account. These are small, daily actions that build unstoppable momentum. Think of this as a friendly chat, a playbook designed for you. Bite-sized, actionable steps you can start today. No jargon, no judgment, just clear, supportive guidance to handle your money with confidence, shift from scarcity to abundance, and build an authentic, fulfilling life. Before we talk numbers, let's talk about something even more valuable: your vision. Think of this stage of life as a fresh canvas for your money vision. The choices you make now, the habits you form, the goals you set, the vision you commit to, will shape the life you'll enjoy for years to come. You don't need a perfectly detailed, 10-year business plan mapped out in a spreadsheet. In fact, that's a great way to feel overwhelmed and quit before you even start. All you truly need is a general direction, a North Star to guide your daily choices. So let's make this super simple. Grab a piece of paper or open a new note on your phone. We're going to answer 3 simple but powerful questions. First, what truly matters to me right now? This isn't about what your parents want or what your friends are doing. This is about you. Is it freedom, creativity, stability, adventure? Write down the first 3 words that come to mind. Second, what is one small tangible step I can take this week to move toward one of those values? Third, who is one person I could ask for a bit of advice or support? This one-page plan is your personal compass. It's meant to be short, sweet, and flexible. Your priorities will absolutely change, and that's not just okay. It's a sign of growth. The real purpose of this exercise isn't to lock you into a rigid path. It's to get you into the habit of being intentional. It's about consciously choosing a direction, and then taking that one small, manageable step each and every week. This simple practice builds momentum and proves to yourself that you are in the driver's seat of your own life. It transforms you from a passive passenger to an active creator. Imagine you wrote down creativity as a core value. Your small step for the week could be spending 30 minutes sketching, writing a blog post, visiting a local art gallery. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Your plan is a living document, a gentle reminder of what you're working toward. It helps you make decisions with more clarity. When an opportunity comes up, you can ask yourself, does this align with my vision? This simple framework is the foundation upon which all your financial and personal success will be built. So, that's the starting point. Okay, let's talk about money. When you hear words like investing or financial planning, your brain might immediately conjure images of complicated charts and men in suits yelling on Wall Street. Let's throw that intimidating picture out the window. The truth is, building wealth isn't about complex strategies. It's about mastering a few fundamental, almost boringly simple habits. The biggest money moves you can make are actually the smallest ones, repeated over and over again. We're going to focus on 3 simple actions you can start literally today. First, you need to know where your money is going. I want you to track your spending for just 1 month. Don't change anything yet, just observe. You can use a free app on your phone or a simple notebook. Write down every single purchase, from your rent to that pack of gum. At the end of the month, you'll have a crystal clear picture of your financial habits. You might be shocked to see how much those daily coffees or forgotten subscriptions add up. These are what I call small leaks, and plugging them is the easiest way to find extra money. Next, build yourself a small safety net. Your goal is to save $500 as a starter emergency fund. This isn't your vacation fund, this is your life happens fund. When your tire goes flat, or you get an unexpected medical bill, this cushion means you won't have to panic or go into debt. Start small. Can you set aside $5 or $10 a week? If you get a birthday gift or a small bonus at work, immediately put a portion of it into this savings account. Seeing that balance grow, even slowly, will give you a profound sense of security and control. Finally, put your savings on autopilot. This is the most powerful wealth-building secret of all. Log into your bank account right now and set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. It can be weekly or monthly, whatever works for you. Make the amount so small you barely notice it, maybe just $20 a month to start. The magic of automation is that it removes willpower and emotion from the equation. The money is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. The word budget has a terrible reputation. It sounds restrictive, like a financial diet where you can never have any fun. But that's a complete misunderstanding of what a budget is for. A good budget isn't about restriction, it's about permission. It's a tool that gives you the freedom to spend on the things you love, guilt-free. Think of your budget not as a cage, but as a roadmap for your money. It tells your money where to go so you can achieve your goals. A trip to Italy, a down payment on a house, a stress-free month. Let's create a simple, painless money map using just 3 buckets. First bucket, needs. This includes fixed costs, the things you must pay every month, rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation to work. Second bucket, savings. Pay your future self first. Emergency fund, retirement investments, savings for big goals, new car. Final bucket, fun, dining out, hobbies, shopping, going out with friends. A great starting point is the 50-30-20 rule. Tweak it to fit your life. 50% of after-tax income, needs. 20%, savings and extra debt repayment. 30%, fun. If rent is high, needs grows and fun shrinks. The specific percentages aren't the point. The point is a conscious plan so you're in control. Check your money map once a week for 10 minutes. See how your spending aligns. Overspend on restaurants? No big deal. Adjust next week. Maybe pack lunch one extra day. Make small, incremental changes, not drastic cuts. Stay within your fun budget and enjoy it guilt-free. A budget turns money from anxiety into a tool for joy. So, yeah, give it a go. Time is the biggest superpower for any investor. Start wherever you are. Starting now always beats starting later. Thanks to the miracle of compound interest. Compound interest is basically your money-making babies. Your initial investment earns returns. Then those returns start earning their own returns. The process snowballs over decades. Start now, even with a tiny amount. It's far more powerful than waiting to invest a larger amount later. Every day you wait is a day you lose the magic of compounding. Investing sounds complex, but you can start simply. Forget picking the next hot stock. Forget timing the market. The simplest, most effective strategy for most people is a low-cost index fund. An index fund is like a basket holding tiny pieces of companies. It can hold hundreds of companies, or even thousands of companies. Instead of betting on one company, you're betting on the overall market to grow long-term. Historically, it has done just that. You can open an investment account now, for example a Roth IRA, through any major online brokerage. Don't fall for the trap of thinking you need a lot of money to start, because you don't. Many platforms let you open an account with as little as $1. They allow you to invest small amounts regularly. Could you commit to investing just $50 a month? Set it as an automatic transfer, like your savings. That consistent, automated investment is the secret sauce. The goal isn't get rich quick, it's get rich slowly but surely. Let your money work for you in the background while you live your life. Think of it like planting a small tree. You put it in the ground and give it a little water. Your monthly investment, consistently. For the first few years, you might not see much growth. But you don't dig it up to check the roots every day. You trust the process. You let it be. Over 10 years, the sapling grows bigger. Over 20 years, it becomes strong. Over 30 years, it can be massive and fruit-bearing. Your small, consistent investments work the same way. The Mindset Revolution. How to think like a winner. Your financial success has less to do with the numbers in your bank account, and more to do with the stories you tell yourself in your head. Your mindset is the operating system for your life. If it's filled with bugs like self-doubt and fear of failure, you'll constantly crash. But if you install a new, upgraded mindset, you can unlock incredible potential you never knew you had. There are 3 fundamental mindset shifts that will change everything for you: growth, patience, and progress over perfection. The first shift is to start thinking long-term, instead of craving instant gratification. We live in a world that conditions us to want everything now. But true success, in finance and in life, is a marathon, not a sprint. It's built on the back of small, consistent wins that add up over time. When you make a small deposit into your savings, don't be discouraged that it's not a huge amount. Instead, celebrate the act itself. You are building a habit that will make you wealthy over decades. See every small, positive action as a vote for the person you want to become. The second shift is to reframe failure. Stop seeing failure as proof that you are not good enough. Instead, see it as data. Failure is simply a lesson in what didn't work. When you try something and it doesn't go as planned, a budget you set was too restrictive, a side hustle idea didn't take off, it's not the end of the world. It's just feedback. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this? What can I do differently next time? People who succeed aren't the ones who never fail. They fail, they learn, they get back up the fastest. Finally, you must let go of perfectionism and embrace progress. Waiting for the perfect time to start investing, the perfect budget plan, is just a fancy form of procrastination. Perfection doesn't exist. There will always be a better time, a better plan, a better something. Your job is to focus on making small, incremental progress every single day. Everyday habits. Small routines for a richer life. You are the sum of your daily habits. The grand, sweeping changes are exciting, but it's the small, seemingly insignificant things you do every single day that truly shape your destiny. Building a rich life, both financially and personally, is about creating simple, supportive routines that run on autopilot. When your positive habits are automatic, you free up mental energy to focus on bigger, more creative challenges. Let's design a simple daily routine that takes no more than 10 minutes but pays huge dividends for your money and your mind over time. Start your day with intention. Before you even look at your phone and let the world's chaos rush in, take just 5 minutes for a quick financial check-in. This isn't about deep analysis. It's about connection. Open your banking app and look at your balances. Glance at your budget. This simple act keeps you aware and in control. It reinforces the message that you are the one directing your money, not the other way around. This tiny habit prevents financial surprises and keeps your goals top of mind throughout the day, influencing your small spending decisions. Next, commit to learning one new thing every day. You don't need to read a whole book. Listen to a 10-minute podcast about personal finance or investing on your commute. Read one article from a reputable financial news source. Watch a short YouTube video that teaches a new skill related to a side hustle you're considering. The goal is to consistently feed your brain with new ideas. This habit compounds just like money. A tiny bit of knowledge gained each day turns you into an expert over the years, boosting your confidence and your earning potential. Finally, end your day by doing one quick task that moves a single goal forward. This is the antidote to feeling overwhelmed. Don't think about the entire mountain you have to climb. Just focus on taking one step. Did you want to start a freelance business? Spend 10 minutes researching potential clients. Do you want to learn to cook to save money? The art of saying no, and yes, protecting your most valuable assets. Your most valuable assets aren't your possessions, they are your time, they are your energy. How you choose to spend them will impact your future and your money goals, more than almost any other decision. Learn the art of saying no. It's a critical skill for protecting your time, energy, and budget. Every yes implicitly says no to something else. Saying yes to a happy hour you don't really want to attend could mean saying no to an hour working on your side project or managing your budget, or saying no to a workout that would boost your energy. Saying no can feel incredibly difficult. A strategic no isn't selfish. It's fiercely protecting your goals, finances, and well-being. It's an act of self-respect. Before you automatically agree, pause and ask, does this align with my goals, budget, and values? If it's a clear no, offer a kind but firm refusal. Have a simple script ready. Thank you so much for thinking of me. My schedule is packed right now, so I'll have to pass this time, but I hope you have a great time. That sounds like a wonderful project, but I'm focusing my energy elsewhere at the moment. I wish you the best of luck with it. These responses are polite and don't need long excuses. A clear no is kinder than a resentful yes. Learn to say yes with purpose. When an opportunity excites you and aligns with your plan, jump on it. Yes to coffee with a potential mentor. Yes to joining a club where you can network. Yes to taking on a challenging project at work. Your next simple steps. Take action today. You've just absorbed a lot of information, and it's easy to feel a mix of excitement and paralysis. Channel that energy into immediate, simple action. Knowledge is only potential power. Action is real power. 3 incredibly simple things you can do in the next 10 minutes to kickstart your journey. Don't overthink them, just do them. Build a tiny bit of momentum you can carry into tomorrow. First, write this and fill in the blank. My number 1 financial goal is to be specific. For example, save my $500 emergency fund, set up my Roth IRA, pay off my credit card, write it on a sticky note and put it on your bathroom mirror, or put it on your laptop. Second, take one small money move right now. If you haven't been tracking spending, download a free app like Mint. The process takes less than 5 minutes, or log into online banking and set an automatic transfer to savings, even if it's just $5. Schedule the transfer, click the button. Take the concrete action that moves you from thinking to doing. Third, celebrate this small win. Seriously, pause and tell yourself, "Good job. I am proud of myself for taking action." That recognition reinforces the behavior and makes you more likely to repeat it. You are on your way. You are learning. You are growing. You are taking control. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. If this resonated, join our community. Like, share, and subscribe so we can keep creating valuable, inspiring content. For daily motivation, visit our online store at www.1012expressions.com for exclusive merchandise that supports your self-improvement journey with style and humor. Empowering designs, wearable reminders, and tools for wellness, wealth, and self-love. You are capable of incredible things. Be kind to yourself, and just keep going.